Hey, it's Ashley with Melanin Beaute Boutique, and it is Makeup Monday. Today we are trying out magnetic lashes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got these lashes on, keep watching. Okay, so I applied the liner. As you can see, it's like wet. So I'm gonna let it completely dry while I finish the rest of my face. And we'll give these magnetic lashes a try. So we can, I'm gonna bring that in the corner a little bit more. Okay, so I'm gonna let it set. Alright, so it's completely dry. Moment of truth. Let's see how these work. Okay, so it's on. So I have actually had these lashes on all day, and I am very surprised that they've lasted this long. So I'm going to take them off now. But yeah, I'm enjoying them. So I am going to take these lashes off. And like I said, I had them on all day. So we are going to see how they turn out. So like I said, I had on these lashes all day. So I'm gonna take them off now. They lasted really well. Usually they kind of pop up. I don't do well with magnetic lashes, but these specific ones lasted really well. And these I ordered from a friend, and they are Tori Belle Magnetic Lashes. So let me take them off. Okay, so here's one that's off, and that's what little magnets look like, if you can see them. They come a little longer, so I did cut them down just to be able to fit on my lashes. So yeah. Let's take the other one. You can see. But yeah, so I really enjoy wearing them. Like I said, typically they don't usually work for me, but I did order them off of like Amazon or whatever. So yeah, they were on like $12 on Amazon, like the cheaper ones. And girl, let me tell you, they're cheap for a reason, because I struggled with them. They literally only stayed on for like an hour, and like they would just come up, or worst case scenario, I'll roll my window down, jam into my music, and my lash just blows out the window. But these stayed on pretty good. These Tori Belle lashes. So yeah, they give you little directions on the back that you can follow. And I would follow the directions, because that's going to help them stay. And this is the magnetic lash liner. So I put it on to go like in the corner of my eye, like here is where I wanted the smallest lash to be, over to like here. And then kind of have to position it so that it makes sure that I stick it on the liner and not like on my lashes. But yeah, so I really enjoyed using it. The liner wasn't like super liquidy, so like it didn't like run. I know sometimes when I would use it before using other brands, it would like run into my eye, but it stayed where it was supposed to stay, and it's like nice and dark. You're supposed to put on one layer first, wait 2-3 minutes for it to dry, and put on another layer, and you have to wait for it to completely dry, and then you stick it on. Another thing that I kind of liked about these lashes, and I'll open it so you can see, is that they have these little anchors here. So like if you cut it down too much so that it fits to your eye, you can put anchors there to like kind of blend in the lash to make it fuller. So because like sometimes like if the lash is like right here in your eye, you can like fill it out in the corner if you need to. So they have little magnetic lashes here for those, which is great. This here is this is actually the piece that I clipped off the end to kind of make it fit to my eye. I kind of saved it in case I needed to add it, but I didn't. It was able to like blend nicely without having to add the anchors. So yeah, definitely check it out. If you're going to wear magnetic lashes, you want to wear magnetic lashes that are actually quality. And these are definitely quality. I know there's a lot of lashes being sold on Instagram. I don't know the brands, but I see a lot of magnetic lashes on Instagram being sold. Not these in particular. I just saw my friend Megan. She was wearing these a lot, and I was like, you know what? Let me try a different brand. And I'm glad I did, because they actually really did work. So yeah, definitely try them out. The style I got was the Wonder Lash. So yeah, definitely try it out. It's definitely an alternative to getting individual lashes and to wearing, you know, the regular strip lashes. And it lasted all day for me, and this is during a heat wave, girl. So it was what, 90 plus with humidity today, and my lashes stayed on. So that is an accomplishment. So yeah, so definitely check it out. Tori Belle Eyelashes. Yeah, definitely a keeper. So that is all that I have for today. I hope that this review has been helpful.